So found this thrown away. It's supposed to be broken. You can see the cable here. Got lots of damage on the cable everywhere. And I'm new at running these machines. Well, not new, but anyway, I plugged it in and it doesn't seem to turn. Might be a safety reason or something, but this shaft doesn't turn. Anyway, I thought we would open it up and see what we can do, if we can get it working. And you can help comment what I'm doing wrong, because it's the first time I'm opening up one of these. So looking it up on the internet, it's the professional series, so it's a good machine. So let's try to get it working. So looking at some features, for you that are new, like me, new, you push this button here and you can adjust this one, so you can get a different position. I believe you even can rotate the whole this whole assembly here. But this one, when I push it, I lock this one, so you can screw it. I guess that's what it's for. So we got some tape here. Let's remove that and see what. So some cracks here. Well, when you turn this one, you can see that you find match, so you can remove this piece. Makes it more easy to continue. Got 4 bolts here, and you got some here. So why doesn't it engage? You see the wheel there, it's gonna engage in this one. So it's turning there. Why doesn't it go over to this one? Okay. Fucking nothing. So I found something. Comparing with this schematic, you have this little sprocket there. According to this one, looks like it should be a yeah, don't know what they call this. Bolt, no, mutter, whatever. And it's lacking, so you can see that this should be tightened down. You got some thread there. Somebody has been tampering with this before and forgot this one, I believe. So I guess I'll have to remove this piece, these 4 bolts. Says 7mm, so this is a 22mm, I guess, wide. Yeah, about 22.7, so that's 608, I believe, bearing. So let's see if found an M8 thinner nut. Let's see if it fits, or if this is some strange thread. Okay, of course, something M7 or something. Strange one. Okay, too bad, they're not common. Have to come back, or I'll see if I can get an M7 or something. To be continued. So, back again. Looky, look what I found. Behind there, you see the threads? There are broken pieces back here. So, maybe somebody hasn't forgotten it. It just has broken. It's never been opened before. Got some pieces here. Focus. That's no good. Yep. Here we got the nut. Put it back together, 3 pieces. Anyway, M8 didn't work, so if I find a replacement part for this one, it probably will work again, no problem. So, well, that's it. May continue if I find a piece, or this is the end. Thanks for watching, hope you got something out of it. Maybe common problem. It's really torn, but I believe it may be done in 2009. It's 1100 watts input to the engine, and it's about 660 or something out. So pretty powerful. And these professionals are supposed to be good. The professional model. So this is how it looks here.